Hi there, I wanted to record a quick tutorial on Flipgrid. So when you have a Flipgrid link as a student, example for the quick video that you'll record for our Chippewa River Riding Project, you just paste in the link, and then when you scroll down, you'll see here are a few videos already recorded. If you click on this, it'll ask you to log in. Just log in with your personal Google account. That way that'll keep it separate from your educator account if you have an educator account set up. And once you do that, then you can record your video. It'll use your webcam and your microphone. You can also do this on your phone, and it will allow you a little bit of editing, and it'll take your picture and then upload your video to Flipgrid. So on the educator side, if you want to set up a grid, you can set up a grid for your class. As you can see, I have a grid set up for each one of my classes. Or if you already have a class set up, for example, we have Chippewa River already set up as a class, then I could just add a new topic. So I just click add a new topic. And here I would put in my title. This would be my screencast. And my prompt, record a screencast with directions and ideas. And then as you scroll down, you can set the recording time, how long you want the recording time to be. I'm going to say 5 minutes. Moderation is super helpful if you want to view the videos before students can see each other. When I'm working with students, middle school and high school, I always put moderation on, so that, for example, I can make sure that everyone is appropriately dressed in the videos. So if you toggle that over, that way you have to approve the video before other students can see it. You can add media. You can record your own video or upload a video or add a YouTube video or add an image or add emojis, all sorts of things that you can add to the assignment. So you can go ahead and just click to submit it, or I always use the more options feature, because then I can go in and put a launch date so that I can record early, but then just put a launch date and an end date so that, once it's over, and students aren't turning in late work that I never see because it's 2 weeks after the semester's over. And you can also toggle some features. For example, students can add a title, the number of views that are of the video. You can allow students to edit or rearrange video clips, which is super helpful. You can add likes if you want students to be able to like each other's, and you can turn off or turn on students' abilities to record replies to each other. And then finally, there's a feedback option. The basic default is just ideas and performance, but you can always set up a custom feedback option. So for example, the last assignment that I gave my students, they had to do 4 things. They had to tell a personal anecdote, give background about a topic, include data and research, and then concisely explain all of this in a 3 to 5 minute video. So this was the real basic rubric that I gave for students. And you can add criteria if you want, right, to add different ideas and a point total. So you can add a rubric right on, and then you can create your topic. As you can see, my face is over it, but you can create your topic. Once it does that, it'll give you a URL that you can just copy and paste. You can also share it directly to Google Classroom or to Remind, or if you have a website, you can copy the embed code and embed it right into your website. So Flipgrid definitely plays well with others, and is very easy for students to use and very easy for you to use. And then in the feedback options, for example, if I take you to a student video, take you into one of these. So here are my students. You can see I've hidden Kayla and I've hidden Lindsay because they both asked that other students not see their videos. And once you click on a video to watch it, you can see where you can score their ideas, right?
For my stunt journalism project.
And you can also give them direct feedback comments, which would be emailed to them. So, very simple ways to give feedback to students, to score students if you'd like, but it's also a great way for students to be able to have a discussion online or record some ideas, and and build some community even in situations where it's hard to build community, like when we're all at home. So that's all from here. Thank you so much.